Good evening, fellow aeroscout mechanics. Well, tonight we had the best evening of flying I've had yet. And we had a couple of good takeoffs, we had some good flying around, we had some good bit bouncy landings, but definitely much better. But eventually I wound up also having the worst crash ever. Quick tip, stay away from that expert mode on the transmitter as long as you can. So the entire front is now twisted and bent to the side. The plywood is busted off. I've got a nice big old chunk of that. One interesting note, my repair I did with the plywood under the front nose mechanism definitely helped. It kept the wheel from plunging back up into the body of the plane like it typically does. Well, it didn't plunge quite as far. So that's definitely a good design change to do. So other than that, I guess we're going to have to gut this thing and see what we can do. See you later.